Hello and welcome to this video on solving simultaneous equations. Hopefully by now you have learned how to do this using Desmos, doing it graphically and visually, but this video will show you a way of doing it algebraically on paper that you will be using in a lot of your questions and answering. There are two methods of solving these questions based on the question that is given to you. And this video is just going to focus on one of them. We are going to focus on this method called the equating method. I'm going to focus on the equating method. And what this is essentially to say that the two equations we are given are equal. Because that's all solving simultaneous equations is finding the point where they are. For example, if I'm given a question and it goes y equals 2x and y equals x plus 2, and it asks me to solve this simultaneous equation, I know already that I want to find the point where these two are equal because we are solving a simultaneous equation. So I can write out, and this is where this method starts, I can write out 2x, which is from here, equals x plus 2, which is from here. And from there, we want to isolate x. We want to get x on its own. We follow all of our algebraic rules, and we go through the steps to find x on its own. So I'm going to move my x over and it becomes a negative x. And then 2x minus x is just 1x. We just have 1x there, so x equals 2. And then from there, to find our y, well, we come back to one of these equations. Y equals x plus 2. If x equals 2, which we found out over here, then y equals 4. And so we can then deduce, put it all together, saying that the solution for this, the solution is x equals 2, y equals 4, or you can write it like this, 2, 4, that is the grid coordinate. Now I will show you a different type of question that you may be given, just so you don't get confused when you see it. There will be a question that will be like this: 3x plus 2y equals 2 and x equals 7 plus 5y. If you have a question like this, we do not use the same method. This question here uses a different method, okay, that you will learn soon. However, it's not the focus of this video because you won't use it as often. You will use this equating method here a lot more than you will use the method that we use for questions like this. You will learn about it, but we won't put it in this video. This video is just for you to see how to do equating method. So I'll do a second question here, just so that you can see some other questions that you might be given that use the equating method. This one, y equals 1/2 x plus 4 and y equals x plus 3. Do you notice also here we've got a y equals and a y equals, same up here. That is when you use the equating method. If you don't have that y on its own on the left, we won't use the equating method. But most of the questions you will have a y equals on their own at the front. So we will do the exact same thing that we did before. We take both of these and we write them out. 1/2x plus 4 equals x plus 3. And what we want to do is isolate the x. So I will follow the same rules. Plus 4, I will do a minus x there to move that over, and I'll do equals 3. 1 over 2x minus x is negative 1 over 2x. And I'm going to move this 4 in the same way. I'm going to move that 4 over there, and it becomes a negative 4. So 3 minus 4, which means negative 1 over 2x equals negative 1. I want to get rid of this negative 1 over 2. And what is it doing with this x? It is multiplying. So that means I'm going to divide on the other side. So I will do x on its own here, negative 1 divided by negative 1 over 2. And if you put that in your calculator, x is equal to positive 2. Now that we have x equal to positive 2, we go down here to our y. Y equals x plus 3. X equals 2, so 2 plus 3, y equals 5. So now our final question, therefore solution is x equals 2, y equals 5, and that is the point.